There he goes.
Down the block.
Right, I'm making a new battery for this, which is going to go there, hopefully. So we'll do that. Here's the battery. So I've got all of these. I've basically got 1700s across the bottom, 1900s, 2000s, there or thereabouts, 2000 plus, and then evened out a little bit, I think, somehow, and then just the rest of them. But these are all drill batteries, so they've come out of drill packs, so they're all high ampage, which is what you need, I think, hopefully. It's only going to draw about 20 to 40 amps max. I doubt it'll go over 25 really, but these would be perfect for it. So we've basically got 1700, 2000, 2000, 2000, 2000, 2000. So we've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. That's 10 amp hours. So 11.7 amp hours, hopefully. So you could probably call it a 12 amp hour pack. Fingers crossed, if it all works right. So I've got 7 packs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, with 6 cells in each pack. I'll be putting a 24 volt BMS on it. There's my spot welder that I've made. And my lovely spot weldy ends. I'll be using that in a minute. I'll give you some footage on that hopefully. And then I've made a little crafty box for it all to sit in. I could have 3D printed one. I've got that going actually. Is there? Maybe something else. So anyway, I've got this box that it can go in, which is good enough, I think. Gaffer tape's good enough for anything in my mind. And that'll sit perfectly in that little square that's in the bike. Hopefully I don't blow anything up. Right then, attempting one-handed, just to show you a bit of welding. There we go. Right. Nice. Do a few more of them. Job's a good one. So I fitted a lovely little BMS. This should protect the batteries hopefully. It's actually got a balance function. So under there is where it balances. And then there's my main negative. Going to the main negative of the battery. I put some bus bars in. I've only soldered them on in the middles. Should be absolutely fine. Each one of these strips will do 40 amps, and then that's just for the balance of the cells. Well, the parallel link, and then all these series links are good for 40 amps each. So I'm only going to be pulling 25 amps from the battery in total. So it's over-engineered really a little bit. Yeah, BMS fitted, all done, finished. Let's get it in the bike and get it going. So I've got the battery pack on, fills it quite nicely. I've also adapted the charger, so that's charging. It's on. It's power. Twist. And go. Should be pretty cool. I've got to replace that switch for a proper power switch, because it does nothing. The over amp protect is broken, it doesn't work. Something's wrong with that, so I've got to change that. apart from that, it's working. New battery.